In this video, we'll delve into the descending channel, a bearish chart pattern formed by two downward trend lines representing resistance and support levels. Let's explore this pattern, also known as the falling channel or channel down. The descending channel is defined by a trend line running along the highs, identified as the upper line, and a parallel line running across the bottoms, known as the channel line. It's a bearish pattern, characterized by a series of lower lows connected by a diagonal resistance level. When prices move within the channel, they are expected to bounce off both the upper and lower boundaries. The more these reversals occur, the more reliable the pattern becomes. Though resembling the rectangle pattern, the key difference lies in the descending slope of the channel. While ascending channels indicate upward trends, the descending channel represents the exact opposite, downward trends. Traders can look for short opportunities when the price is near the upper trend line. Aggressive traders might even trade long and short at both trend lines, anticipating potential bounces or pullbacks. Alternatively, one can wait for the price to break through either trend line for a trading signal. A breakout above the upper trend line generates a strong buy signal, suggesting a possible change in trend direction. Conversely, a breakout below the lower trend line generates a strong sell signal, indicating an acceleration of the existing downward trend. Like other patterns, descending channels may experience false or premature breakouts, leading to price retracements back into the channel. Despite this, they remain valuable tools for predicting overall trend changes. As long as prices remain within the descending channel, we can expect the downward trend to persist. Another approach is to observe where the price fails to reach the lower line, potentially signifying trend exhaustion and a potential reversal. And that concludes our exploration of the descending channel, a powerful bearish pattern that can provide valuable insights for your Forex trading. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Click the link in the description to join our Telegram group and watch us trade. Happy trading!